Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. My name is Megan Frost, and I'm standing next to the all-new 2020 Toyota Yaris Hatchback. This is the LE trim level. We also have an XLE trim level, as well as a sedan, which has similar packages and features. You can go over all of those differences when you come in and speak with your salesperson. In the front here, we're looking at the 1.5 liter 6-speed automatic transmission, as well as the active safety system with the low speed pre-collision system with the sensors up there in the windshield. Now the XLE is going to have LED headlights, auto headlights, as well as automatic rain sensing windshield wipers. Lots of technology. Inside, we are going to be looking at the black with blue fabric seats, as well as some blue accents there up on the dash, and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment center, and we'll go over that here in just a moment. Lots of space up there, and enough space back here for passengers, and then we have this ability to put these seats down and just pop them back up into place for that versatile cargo space. The backup camera is going to be standard on all trim levels for the Yaris. We'll pop this open. The tonneau cover here is removable. We do have a spare tire in here. Very deep cargo space, which is really nice. And then we have this nice little cargo light here you can turn on or off. And then here we have for LE and XLE, the alloy 16-inch wheels. Now standard on all of our trim levels for Yaris is the smart key system. So you can lock and unlock just by opening the door here. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we're gonna have our traction control buttons, as well as the tire pressure monitoring system. Here we are inside the 2020 Yaris Hatchback. Let's take a look at all the great technology we have in here. Up here on the dash, we have a 7-inch screen that is Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. We also have our climate zone controls here with the SD card reader and USB ports. This is an automatic transmission with the ability to shift manually if you choose with that sport mode. This is the dial for your infotainment center up there. Up here on the left, we have our audio controls as well as our phone controls. And on the right, we have the cruise control. And then really nice for the Yaris, we have our range and temperature gauge as well. If you have any questions or would like to schedule that test drive, give us a call or click rudyluthertoyota.com.